Cryptocurrency withdrawals. CryptX Crypto Withdrawals is a part of CryptX Financial Ecosystem, which enables you to withdraw the assets which you have accumulated here. Please note that the network fees might be deducted from your withdrawal amount by the cryptocurrency network you are opting for. CryptX Financial does not charge deposit or withdrawal fees on its platform. You can withdraw your cryptocurrency assets by following the given steps. Visit the profile section to make sure that you have completed the KYC procedure. Click on the assets options on the top bar of the website. Select your desired cryptocurrency by clicking on its respective deposit button. Click on the withdrawal button, the first button next to the wallet address. Type in the recipient's address carefully. Enter the desired amount you want to withdraw. Click on Withdraw. The withdrawal will be conducted from CryptX account wallet to the designated address. The withdrawal will be initiated within a few minutes of confirmation, but the total transfer time varies from bank to bank and account to account. Happy trading!